Hi guys and welcome to Creations by Autumn. You might can't see me right now, but what I'm going to do for you is a quick video about the sample kits that I offer on my Etsy shop. I will post that in the description, but I'm just kind of giving you a little bit of information of what the not the Etsy shop, but the sample kit is about and how you can use it and how you can create with what is offered in the kit. I will put my Etsy shop the um, in the description for you guys. You can't see me very well, which is a good thing. So you will just be looking at what's right here in front of me, and I will kind of show you and display what's all in the sample kit for you guys. So, like I said, first off, the Etsy shop is open. I have a few items on there right now, including the sample kit. So I will put that in the description. What you will get in the sample kit and what a sample kit is with me being a chalk couture designer, I'm giving you guys an opportunity to have a sample of what I do and what I create on a daily for you guys to purchase from my Etsy shop, or just little things that you can do to design with if that's something that you decide that you would like to do. This little kit is just a taste of what I have so that you won't have to maybe like go and buy like a $50, $35 board and just to try it out, when you can just try it out with a little sample kit, see if you like it, and then go from there. So let's get started. What is included in my particular sample kits is one chalkable chip. It's front back blank chalkable black chip. You get one transfer this particular size, and if you're watching this video, there's a possibility you've already purchased the kit or you're thinking about purchasing one. So I'm going to just tell you what's in your kit, even if you already know, if you already purchased it. So I'm just letting you guys know. So you have the one transfer. You do not get this same transfer every time. It's a different one every time you get it. Everything else is the same except for the transfer. And then you will receive, I taped mine, but you will receive paste. There are different pastes also every time. So this time around, it's the current jam. There's a possibility it might be a different color the next time. So those are the only two things that you get that will be different, possibly every time you purchase, or however many you decide to purchase, that it'll possibly be different or it won't. So those are the only things that'll change. Then you'll get a mini squeegee, which is what I use throughout some of my videos if you watch or you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you will get a stair stick, which the stair stick is really good to kind of help with some of the larger pastes. But just to give you, I gave you one in your sample kit because if you decide to pour just a small amount into like a bowl or just on a paper towel, or just maybe on the side next to you onto your table, and then you want to kind of mix it up a little bit to get the chunkiness out of it, this is what would be a good thing to use. If not, you can keep it for other uses that you may want to use it for. Then that's when you can use that. And then, of course, I have my card for if you have any information or need any information or need to contact me or anything like that. And then there will be something else in there for you guys. So that is all that comes in the sample kit. Like I said, it's on my Etsy shop. I will put that link in the description. I will always put my chalk site in the description also for you guys. just in case you do not want to buy a sample kit and you want to buy other items like the larger surfaces that I may have, or any different size transfers that I may have, more chocolate chips for yourself, singles, anything like that that you would like to purchase, then that will be on the Choc site. My Etsy shop is more of my products that I have myself, that I've created myself, that you can purchase, or the sample kits. So let's get started. So to start off with the chockable chips, to kind of talk about those, I did this one a while back, and my son smeared it because it wasn't dry. But just to give an example, this you can do front and back. It's really easy, front and back chockable chip. Just see right there for you guys. When you are preparing to use the sample kit, it's just what is all in the kit. The only thing that you would possibly need, maybe a napkin. And then I got one of my son's mini cereal bowls, just for a side of water that we need for our transfer bath. So you can use it the next time you maybe buy another transfer, or maybe decide to buy another to add to your sample kits if you keep buying sample kits, however you decide to do that. But it's always good to have a little bit of water next to you so that you can clean your transfers throughout that process. So here's what we'll do. With the chockable chips, I have this one. And when we say chockable chips, throughout my videos, I've talked about how some of our items are erasable. Lucky for you, these chockable chips, if you get a sample kit, these chockable chips are erasable. So you can get you a nice little spray bottle of water. If you would like to purchase one of these, I have them on my Choc site. But a nice spray bottle of water would be good, and a little bit of elbow grease. And you just rub off. You can rub off both sides, however you decide to do it. But you just need a good amount of water and a napkin. As you can see, it's coming right off. And you just spray it in that area. And you can use it again. So it's really easy. And they're great for you to be able to use again, so you can practice more on your sample kits, kind of just to get you an example of how Choc Couture works out. And if you would like to join by becoming a Club Couture member, or maybe even becoming a designer, things like that, or if you would like to just create these for your home, or give them as a little gift you can give them to a person that's in their gift. Like if you purchase a gift for someone and you want to just throw something in their gift bag on the side, you can design something on these and put them in there, and they'll be a great little design. Also, I have these on my Choc site. They come in a pack of 12 if you want to buy more than that. But for the sample kit, you only get one. So after you clean it, so you can clean it off as I showed you. But when you get yours and you get your kit out, get everything out, you will lay your chockable chip down, and you will get your transfer ready. Remember, we talked about in any of my videos, if you watched, you always take this is called a backer and this is called the transfer. You will take your transfer off of the backer from the top part up here to bottom, never corner to corner. And then you'll put your transfer to the side. And then for your transfer on the back of this sticky part, you want to get maybe this is just a face towel, terry cloth towel, and you want to fuzz it in a good way to where you'll have enough fuzz so it won't stick as much to your chockable chip, and it won't ruin your transfer. So you can fuzz on pants leg, you can fuzz anything that you can get a little fuzzy feel off of it and onto the back. I don't know if you can see that, but if you can get any fuzz on the back of it, that will be perfect. So maybe your pants, like fuzzing on your pants leg, help a little bit. Fuzz maybe 2 or 3 times, and then you will lay it, center it onto your chip, however you would like. Get the mesh on there really nice and neatly, and then that's ready to go. So then you will take your paste, which this is the Current Jam paste single that you will get in your sample kit if you purchase one, and you will massage it. You will feel like some little chunkies in it a little bit, and that's what you're massaging to give it that nice feel, to make sure it's that yogurt consistency. So you want to make sure you're massaging it really good, getting it massaged all the way across, and when you feel it's at a good consistency, then you can go ahead and open it. I'm gonna have to rip mine. So the thing about the paste singles is, if you're doing something this size, you should be able, sorry guys, let me get some light. You should be able to use these again. My light went off for you guys, sorry. You should be able to use these once more. So once you get your, you have your chockable chip. Let me get my laptop back on, guys. Okay, you have your paste. Once you have your paste, you will cut a little corner. And I usually like just cut the corner and then tape it back if I can. And then once you massage it, if you want to put it in a bowl somewhere and use it like that, or you can get on the edge of your pasting of your mini squeegee, squeeze a small amount out, and put on to your squeegee, just like that. You just squeeze it out as much as you think you would need, and then you can put this to the side and use it again. That's another way that you can have safekeeping for when you order more paste samples. Then, let's get the other light on for you guys. Then what it is, then you'll have the, okay. Once you get this onto your mini squeegee, you'll just make a nice consistent scrape across the mesh part of your transfer. Go straight across. Make sure you're covering every edge that you possibly can. And if you figure out some way to get your excess back into your area in your paste single, which is these, and back into here, then you're more than welcome to do so. But if not, you can just clean this off with your napkin and prepare for your next single. Alright, so then I'm going to get all the excess off, just going straight across. Making sure I get all of it off, and then I'm just going to wipe onto my napkin. And then I'm going to just put it in my water to the side. And then what you will do here is we'll kind of pull up from right there and then work our way to the middle and then pull straight off. And there we have it. You have your first sample kit complete. And then with your transfer, you will just transfer it over into the water, sticky side up in your water, and then put that to the side so it can soak for maybe about 3 or 4 minutes. If you feel like it needs to be longer, I would only go maybe about 6 or 7 minutes, but that's just the most time. And then you can clean off your paste single, clean it off, clean it off nice and neat. Get all of your paste towards the bottom if you can. and then just tape it right across the top, and you have enough for the next time to use this again. Then, if you don't use any water for your paste, for your transfer, after your transfer is clean, if you put it in the water bath, you can use your lovely napkin. Use your lovely napkin, get your towel, and put it on top of your towel, face up. Rub your napkin across, just to clean all that extra paste off. You don't have to rub extremely hard, just as long as you get all of the paste off of the top of the transfer will be good. Just dip it, or you can spray if you have your spray bottle, like so. Just spray it, wipe across. And sometimes with these, I like to kind of dab across the back a little bit, kind of make it dry a little bit, and then maybe wait about 10 seconds, and then you can put it back onto your backer. Remember, when you place back onto your backer, you will put, it's a more slick side, so you will put the slick side onto the transfer onto the slick side of the backer, and then go straight across, and then you can use it the next time. So that's how many you can save up by buying and purchasing these sample kits, because you will be able to keep this a little bit longer. You'll have this to keep, your stir stick to keep, you will have your mini squeegee to keep, and then your erasable, chalkable chip. So it's a really, really fun thing to do, and you can use it as many times. With this, though, you use it as many times as it runs out. But any of the other things you can keep reusing to put different designs. You can keep reusing to make many different things on them. Also, if you have any questions about any of my sample kits that I have, you can definitely comment below. Like I said, all my sample kits is on my Etsy shop right now. I put a listing up for the sample kits tonight. So if you're looking for those, you can definitely check out my site. And this was just how to start it out, how to use the kit. And if you have any questions, you can definitely comment. Also, like I always say, if you would like to join my team, you can comment join below, and I can give you that information. If you would like to join Club Couture, you can comment club below, and I will give you that information also. My chalk site website will be in the description, and my Etsy website will be in the description also. So if you have any questions, please comment below. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification button, and I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.